So here we have our 16-port rack chassis for our PoE IPC-600 series transmitters. So that is either the PoE over Coax transmitters or the PoE over 2-wire transmitters. So what we'll do is we'll just do a quick unboxing and show you what actually you get inside. So inside you'll actually find the rack. It's in a heavy duty plastic bag. So in here you'll see you get a manual. This manual actually could show you what's actually in the kit. You'll get 32 screws to mount your transmitters, and you'll also get a power supply to power the rack. So the power supply itself is just a simple 12-volt power supply by Meanwell. And that actually plugs into the socket there, which powers these 4 fans to extract the heat. The cool thing about this rack is that you can either use it to build like either put 1 transmitter in there, you can put 4, you can build 16. It really matters up to you how many transmitters you want to put. You're not stuck to having a full bank, you just build it as you go. So it's 1 AU, and then basically from here the transmitters just screw into the transmitter themselves, and that's how it's secured into the rack. So that's the EC-1600.